Introducing the Winslow Model 947 HR Drill Point Grinder. The automatic cycle Model HR can grind quality drill points from 1/16 of an inch to 1 1/2 inches in diameter. The precision colleting and guide bushings method combined with generative cams, rotating workhead, and PLC is the most accurate method of drill grinding. Coupling these features with an automatic infeed results in consistent, high-finish, precise drill points. The drill is supported in a rigid drill holder collet arrangement. The range of drill sizes can be handled in each drill holder due to the flexibility of the collet. The drill needs to be orientated prior to grinding. The drill holder is positioned in the drill loader, where drill timing orientation takes place. The drill is positioned axially and radially by using the drill timer. The drill holder with timed drill is placed in the HR workhead. The drill extends out of the workhead and is supported by a very accurate drill bushing during the grind process. The 6 dials on the control panel set the grind position, lift, and feed rates. The first 3 dials are used for grinding raycon points. The second set of 3 dials is used for controlling the grinding of a conventional and helical drill point. The dresser assembly is used to dress a profile on the grinding wheel. The dressing arm stylus follows the profile on a dresser cam. The dresser diamond dresses the profile onto the grinding wheel. The Mitsubishi Programmable Industrial Control monitors and controls all the machine functions, and the E300 provides the interface between the control and the machine operating parameters. The Model HR is capable of grinding a Bickford, raycon, helical, and conventional point with the push of one button. The conventional point is the primary grind for the production of a split point. The helical point features an S-shaped crown and chisel, which gives it excellent self-centering capabilities, reduces thrust, with improved hole quality. The raycon point greatly extends drill life with minimal burrs at breakthrough. The Bickford point is self-centering, reduces thrust, increases drill life, minimizes burrs, and produces excellent hole quality. The operation of the Model HR is as simple as loading the drill, setting the dials to the reference charts, and selecting the type of drill point to grind through the operator interface. The first point we will grind is a conventional point. The drill is loaded and timed. The 3 dials on the conventional side are set to the reference chart. The PLC is set to conventional. The drill is then inserted into the workhead. The start button is depressed, and the machine will automatically feed in, spark out, and ends the cycle. When pointing a Bickford point, the machine is set up in the same manner. The only difference is the machine will sharpen in 2 steps. First, the wheel advances, then feeds in to grind the raycon portion of the drill. After the spark out is complete, the wheel retracts. The machine shifts to the helical side. Then the wheel advances again and feeds in to grind the helical portion of the point. After spark out, the cycle ends. The average cycle time is under 1 minute for a Bickford point and under 30 seconds for a conventional, helical, or raycon point.